In this video, I will show you guys step by step how I made $17,125 in commission with Fiverr affiliate program just by using free traffic without investing any money in paid ads. I made this commission just in the last month, in the month of November, as you can see over here from the first day until the day 30. This is my commissions, this is my clicks, this is my CTR. In this video, I will share with you my methods, my strategies that helped me to earn this commission just in one single month. Okay, so make sure to watch this video until the end. If you guys skip one step, this business will be really difficult for you and you can't start making commissions like this. Okay, and it's already paid. I received this money in my PayPal account and this is my invoice, and as you can see over here, it's paid $17,125. Okay, anyway, for people who want to start making money with Fiverr affiliate program, so the first step is you need to create an account with Fiverr. So step number one, go to Google and search for Fiverr. Click on the first link over here, and all you have to do, you just need to sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. Okay, so you just need to come to this page and scroll down. Just keep scrolling down, go to company and click over here on affiliate, and you will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website. As you can see, you guys can check this website. You can get idea about how much you will earn for each service you will promote with Fiverr affiliates. As you can see, for example, just here, pro services, you can earn up to 17% of the first order, which is a lot of money. Okay, it's a really profitable. So over here for logo maker, you can earn $30 for first order. Okay, a fixed CPA of $30 equal 100% of logo maker basic package. Okay, and you will keep earning 10% of the future orders, which is really good. It's for all those. Okay, for pro services, the best part with this business is that each time this person will make transaction on Fiverr, you will earn commission for the next 12 months, which makes this business a profitable business. Anyway, you guys can check this website like I said, and if you want to join, just click over here on join now, and here you go. You will be directly in this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program. All you have to do, you just need to put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, your password, and account type. Make it private. Do you have a main source of traffic? If you guys have a website, you can say yes. If you don't have, say no, and choose your country and choose your language. If you have a Skype account, you can put your Skype account here. If you don't have, that's fine. Just click on next and that's it. You guys can see that the sign up process is super easy and simple. Anyone can sign up. And after you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliate. So this will be your Fiverr affiliate account dashboard. Okay, you should see your commissions, your clicks, your CTR, and so on. What you will do next is you need to choose good services that people will be interested to buy from you on YouTube, because we will use YouTube to get free traffic and promote our Fiverr affiliate links for free. Okay, so next step, just go back to your home page on Fiverr. Okay, and I will share with you one of my profitable services that I'm promoting on YouTube. Click on the search for music promotion. Okay, search for music promotion. Why I choose this service, let me show you. If we go to YouTube, if we go to the YouTube homepage and we click on the search and we ask how to promote music, and here you go, you guys can see. So if you just put those keywords, YouTube will give you the report search prediction, what people are searching for right now on YouTube. People searching for how to promote music on YouTube, on TikTok, how to promote music on Instagram, how to promote music video on YouTube. So those people who are searching for these topics, they will be interested to buy this service, music promotion. People who just started music or they just want to start, They want to get more views to grow their audience, so they will be interested. Of course not of lot of course not all those people will be interested, but I'm sure that you can get a lot of people who will be interested to buy this service and promote their music to get more views and grow their audience. Okay, search for music promotion, scroll down, pay close attention, always choose good sellers, choose like level 1 seller, level 2 sellers, top rated sellers, sellers who has a lot of reviews, like this one for example, level 2 seller, this one top rated seller. We have this one also level 2 seller. Those sellers are good. We have this one also here, level 2 seller. This one is really good. Like this one has 5 star, over 1000 reviews. This service starting from $10, which is really good. A lot of people can try this service to promote their music. I will choose this one. Just click on this service like this, and you will be directly in this seller profile page. You guys can see over 5,000 people paid for this service, which is really good. So what you will do next, you will copy the link of this seller, copy the profile link of this seller, go back. Let me show you. Go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, click over here. You have dashboard, you have marketing tools, and you have reports. Click on marketing tools and click on default and deep links. You will be directly in this page. Click on deep link, put this seller profile link here, and click on save. Okay, that's it. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. All you have to do next, you need to promote this affiliate link on YouTube. Next step, go back to this seller profile page. Let me show you. Go back to this seller profile page, scroll down, click over here on read more. Keep scrolling down and go over here to about this gig and click on read more. This is the description of this gig. If we scroll down, we have here a video. Click on this video, and here you go. You guys can see that we have a video. Let's check.
Looking to make your song a #1 hit single? Then you're in the right place.
That's really good. This is explaining to those people who are searching for how to promote music, how this seller can help those people to grow their audience, get more views, and be famous. Okay, so what you will do, double click on the video and click on save video. You need to save this video to your laptop. I'm gonna name it music. Click on save, and here you go. What you will do next, you will go to Google and you will search for, let me show you, search for Canva. Okay, search for this website, click on the first link, just sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple, and I already have an account, so I will go and use my account directly. So it's for free, you can use it for free. All you have to do, like I said, just sign up by using your email address. After you finish, this will be your home page. Click over here on video, click on video and choose YouTube video. Click on YouTube video, and here you go. You will be directly in this page. What you will do next is you need to upload the video that you download from Fiverr. Okay, I will show you how you can do it. So just click here on upload. Okay, click on upload file. Click on upload file and upload. Go to download. Search for your video. Let me see. This is my video. Okay, click on open, and here you go. Your video will be uploaded to Canva like this. Click on your video, and here you go. Your video will be over here like this. You guys can see. Click on this 3 point and scroll down. Click on set video as background. That's it. You just put this video here. Click on text. Scroll down. Choose which style of text you want to use. For example, I'm going to use this one. Just click on the text style. Just make sure to use a good one that looks clear and good. Okay, I will use this one. I will decrease the font size of this text and I will put this text here, double click, and I will write the sentence, check link in my description. Check link in my description. I will put my Fiverr affiliate link in my description. Click again on element. Click on element, okay? Scroll down. Let me show you. You can scroll down, go to over here to shapes and choose this one. Choose color, click on color, choose black color. Put this shape behind your text like this. You can see. Check link in my description. Let's check.
Looking to make your song a number one hit single? Then you're in the right place.
And here you go. Your video is done. Click on share and click on download, and this video will be downloaded to your laptop. Go to your YouTube channel, create a YouTube channel. It's for free. It's gonna take just 1 minute. Super easy to create. Okay, upload this video to your YouTube account. Use this title, how to promote music. Okay, how to promote music, exactly use like this title. Okay, so people who are using this keyword, they can find your video in the search result. Okay, because you will get views, you will try to get views from YouTube search. Okay, it doesn't matter if you have 0 subscribers, 1 subscribers, 10 subscribers. It doesn't matter because you are targeting views from YouTube search. Okay, you are not waiting for YouTube to push your videos, not pushing your videos or grow your subscribers. You don't need to care about this. All you need to care about is using a good title and good description so you can get views from YouTube search. Okay, you can get views from those people who are searching for those topics. Okay, so because those people are already searching for this video that you uploaded. Okay, you just need to optimize your video to rank good. Okay, and you should know that YouTube really has a lot of traffic. You guys don't know the potential of YouTube. I think YouTube has like between I think like between 21 and between 20 and 30 billion monthly visitors. A billion monthly visitors. Okay, so millions of people are every single day are using YouTube to search for specific topics, product, services, get idea about the product or services that they want to buy, and so much more. Okay, and that's it. And after that, you will go back to after you upload the video, go back to your Fiverr affiliate account. For you guys, if you just created your Fiverr affiliate account, you can't see this option if you have a new account, Fiverr CPA old plan, because for me, I have old Fiverr affiliate account. I have been doing this business for almost like 5 years, and I still have this option. For you, you should see this one, Fiverr Pro new plan. Copy your affiliate link from here. It's the same. Go back to your YouTube channel and put your affiliate link in your YouTube description. Use the same title if you are in your description. Create if you are looking to promote your music video and grow your audience and get more views. Check link below and put your affiliate link under your YouTube description. That's exactly how you can make so much money with affiliate marketing using free traffic without investing any money in paid ads, just by using free traffic from YouTube. This is exactly the same process that I use to make over $10,000 every single month with affiliate marketing using free traffic. If you started with free traffic, you should be patient because organic free traffic takes time, and the more videos you upload, the more you will grow fast, and your chance to get commission will be high, and you can make commissions as soon as possible as you upload more and a lot of videos. On YouTube, there is no limit. You can upload 5 videos per day, 10 videos per day. There is no limit. Like those videos, they are super easy. Just copy and paste. Also, make sure to upload those videos as Creative Commons, okay? So you will not get any copyright issue with YouTube. And that's it, okay? For people who are asking, do I have any affiliate marketing course? Yes, I do. If you guys are interested, you can reach out to me in my email address in my description, and I will get back to you. Please, only serious people who really want to take this business seriously and make some serious money. Okay, thank you so much again for watching, and see you in my next videos.